Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to get 3 free items at Temu. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description down below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So guys, now with that said, once you are on Temu, first thing that you will do is just simply go ahead and tap on you here at the middle. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here earn credits and free gifts. And from here, guys, as you can see at the very top, you will have here 5 free items. So just simply tap on get 5 for $0 item. So guys, from here, just simply pick the 3 items that you want. So let's say I'm gonna get this one, and I'm just gonna choose a color and pick the gift. And now we are going for the second item. Let's say I'm gonna get this water bottle over here. For my second pick, I'm gonna choose a color and pick the gift. And now get the third item, guys. Let's say I'm gonna get this A4 file folder and choose a color. And now tap on pick gifts and start inviting. So guys, from here, just make sure you have the right address and tap on next step. As you can see, they are all 100% off and all free. And it is showing us how much we are going to save. So now from here, guys, in order for you to get the 3 items for $0 is you have to invite people. So from here, just tap on share one more time to double cut. And from here, guys, just tap on share one more to double cut. And from here, just simply copy the code, or you can directly share it to these social media platforms that are suggested over here. And guys, when people click on your link, or when people accept your invitation, automatically your progress over here will increase. And as you can see, I am currently almost at 100%. And when I completed this, and when people click on the link, automatically I will get the 3 free items. And there you go. Just simply share the link to your friends, and from there you will get the 3 items. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!